Not much coolant in there. I find an acceptable amount.
There's no problem with this thing, man. It's just, you know, from last time we did it, like, it was fine. All that carbon. God, that thing's been burning bad. They've all been kind of burning like shit. Just dirty. Dirty. These things are just done. Fire material. It's not bad, about a half hour to go from non-functioning tractor to less than functioning tractor.
Yeah. Guess we could hand crank.
Oh, come on, fuck. Why is it always the tractor crank?
What's that?
Oh.
Oh, rib cage crank.
Yeah, burning over
Nice.
that weird fucking way. It surely isn't the amount of beer I've drank today. Well, gasket looks good. We're not getting any blow by on the gasket.
Hey, reuse it.
Get a new one. Look at this thing. Like there's nothing on it that would indicate.
Yeah, it looks nice. I don't think we should be able to see that.
No, I don't think so either.
I mean, you can see part of it.
Like it's hard to see, but they're moving. Yeah, that was bad.
Yeah, I think we're on the right track. There's a lot of stuff coming up into that cylinder oil-wise.
I mean, you just feel just feel the valves. Like, look at that. There's a chunk of something on that valve. Look at this one back here. Like,
Yeah, I can't remember. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4.
well, here we can do this the easy way too. Oh, battery's unhooked.
Well, I can rotate it. Decades and decades.
I don't know. Like, so it's not like it's overboard or anything. Like,
Huh, interesting.
the amount of like carbon we have here, that is, we're getting blow by like nobody's business. Every fucking time, Craig, we're doing something on a goddamn tractor.
Tractor gets even with it, doesn't it?
Yeah. Every effing time.
antifreeze?
Yeah.
Probably got an ounce or two in the old crankcase.
I could hear it dripping through that fucking front cylinder.
They're rocking, and yeah, there's, to me, there's too much movement.
Oh, come on. Come on. There we go. Now, I mean, this one's definitely bad. This one's definitely bad. But none of this was on here when we replaced the head before. But look at this,
Yeah.
like chunk of just.
Man, it's burned like, what do you think, maybe 2 ounces of oil in the last few years?
More like fucking
2 gallons, maybe?
2 gallons might not be enough.
Yeah.
But everything's working like. Ooh. Man, we might be going into the valves, Craig.
Why is that?
Something tells me that the valve, like the retainer, you know, I don't think it should be moving like that.
I don't know. I'll have to
But I mean,
read
they
up on
should.
that.
I mean, they're working. You see what I mean? Like all the valves are working.
Well, surely there would be some, maybe it's just, maybe the valve stems wear, or
Yeah.
valve guides, I don't know.
But that wouldn't, like a little bit of wear. Like they're still sealing. This thing just needs a rebuild. She's just
And we kind of knew that.
old and tired, and well, guess that's where we'll leave it.
All righty, we'll make a plan for the next